morning, children. Welcome to Thematic Conversation class with subject Thematic Conversation. And what does it mean? What we are going to study? Are we going to study Hindi or English or maths? No, we are going to study EVS, right? So, I told you we used to say thematic conversation. Children, can you see? Few pictures are here. I had displayed few pictures here. Pictures of scooter, car, cycle, train, ship, helicopter. What does it mean? What are we going to study? Think. These things you have seen now. These are all vehicles. We used to see vehicles every day. So which topic are we going to study today? We are going to study means of transport. What are we going to study? We are going to study means of transport. Now, what is the meaning of means of transport? Have you understood anything? Means of transport means things which carry us from one place to another. हम जिन व्हीकल्स में बैठ के एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस पर जाते हैं उसको कहते हैं मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. लाइक we sit on the scooter, one drives the scooter and the other sits at the back of the scooter and we go from one place to another. So this is means of transport, right? Similarly, we used to sit in car, then we go from one place to another, we go for shopping, we go to park, we go to see movies. This is means of transport. Cycle also. We use cycle to go from one place to another. Some few children use these cycle to go to school, to parks, to play. This is also a means of transport. Right? So, means of transport are those things which carry us from one place to another. We used to go from one place to another. Now children, there are different types of means of transport. सब अलग अलग तरह के means of transport होते हैं. Like, there are three main types of means of transport. Land transport, water transport and air transport. Now what does it mean? When we say land transport, what is the meaning of this? Land transport means vehicles which move on the land. ज़मीन पर जो चलती हैं. That is land transport. Okay, you can see what is this? Can you see this? This is train. Right? This is the picture of train. We used to sit in train, then we go from one house to one city to another. मम्मी पापा के घर से कभी नानी के घर जाते हैं, कभी किसी और के घर जाते हैं, right? So we used to sit in train. I think everyone must have seen train. It is very big, right? So train moves in water or air? No, train moves on land. ज़मीन पर चलती है. Train moves on the railway track now, and that track is on land. So this is land transport. Similarly, van. Okay, we used to sit in van and we go to school. Then from school we come back to home. Okay, so there are different types of vans in which things are kept. Big things are there. Trucks are there. So they move on road, and road is made on land. ज़मीन पर बनी है road. That is why it is land transport. Vehicles which move on land are called land transport. Now just see, scooter. Scooter also moves on land. Okay, we used to go by sitting on the scooter from one place to another, and scooter moves on the land. Road. Similarly, car also moves on road. Then cycle also. Have you seen cycle flying up in the air? No, we have never seen this because cycle cannot fly in the air. So it moves on road, it moves on land. Train, van, bus. Everyone must have seen these vehicles, na? Have you seen these vehicles? Right? So these are land transport. Scooter, car, cycle, train, van, bus, truck. These are all land transport. Just keep this in mind. Then another type of transport is air transport. Vehicles which move in air. Okay? Like aeroplane. We used to sit in aeroplane and from one place to another we go, right? And aeroplane flies high up in the sky. So it is air transport. And do you know, this is the fastest means of transport. सबसे जल्दी चलता है ये. This is the fastest means of transport. Okay? Then another air transport is helicopter. Have you seen this helicopter? Right? So, helicopter and aeroplane are two air transport. Keep this in mind. Aeroplane and helicopter are two types of air transport क्योंकि ये हवा में चलते हैं. Okay? Then the third type of transport is water transport, which moves in water. Okay? Like ship. Ship can move on road or ship can fly. No. Ship can move only in water. So it is water transport. And boat also. It can move only in water. So this is water transport. So I have made few examples of means of transport. Okay, and I told you now which is the fastest means of transport? Aeroplane. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. सबसे जल्दी चलता है. Okay, so these are the few examples of means of transport. Let's revise again. How many types of transport are there? Land transport, air transport and water transport. Scooter, car, cycle, train, van, bus are few examples of land transport. Aeroplane, helicopter are few examples of air transport. Ship and boat are examples of water transport. So children, I think you have understood now. Now let's do question answers related to means of transport. So are you ready? You can see I have a few questions here. I have framed few questions regarding to means of transport. So let's begin. And you have to learn these answers in proper sentences. Okay, so be careful, listen to me carefully and try to learn these answers. What are means of transport? What are means of transport? Now can you tell me the meaning of this question? This question means of transport क्या होते हैं? Okay? What are means of transport? The means that we use to go from one place to another. The means that we use to go from one place to another. Again, what are means of transport? The means that we use to go from one place to another. Now question number 2. What are 3 different means of transport? Now children, just now I told you how many types of means of transport are there? Land transport, air transport and water transport. So, what are 3 different means of transport? Number 1, air transport. Number 2, land transport. Number 3, water transport. What are 3 different means of transport? Number 1, air transport. Number 2, land transport. Number 3, water transport. So these 2 question answers, have you understood? You have to learn in proper sentences and in the same way as I have written. Okay? Now let's come to question number 3. Name some air transport. I told you this answer. I have shown picture also. Which picture I have shown? I have shown a picture of aeroplane and helicopter. Some air transport are helicopter and aeroplane. Some air transports are helicopter and aeroplane. Question number 4. Name the fastest means of transport. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. What is the meaning of fastest? Sabse jaldi. Okay? And see, half of the answer is already given in question. Only thing which you add is aeroplane, and rest whole answer is already given in the question. Name the fastest means of transport. Aeroplane, you will learn aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Okay? So it will be easy for you to learn. If you will understand this, it will be very easy for you to learn. Now see again, question number 1. What are means of transport? The means that we use to go from one place to another. Question number 2. What are 3 different means of transport? Air transport. Number 2, land transport. Number 3, water transport. Question number 3. Name some air transport. Some air transport are helicopter and aeroplane. Name the fastest means of transport. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. So children, please see these question answers clearly and listen to ma'am clearly and carefully. Okay? You have to learn these answers and just keep learning, enjoy, listen to mummy, papa, and bye-bye.